A Lionel high cube boxcar is just about perfect for a custom decal project. It comes apart easily, and the large rectangular spaces on either side of the sliding door, well, they're just begging for new graphics. I tried to sell this boxcar on eBay, and it sat there for over a month. It's brand new, but nobody wanted it, even when the auction started at less than $9. So I noticed the nice flat sides and decided that I'd keep it and repaint it myself, and eventually add my own decals. I'll keep the roof color, but lightly wet sand the old graphics before I give the sides a fresh coat of flat white Rust-Oleum spray paint. The second boxcar comes from the same molds as the Disney ones from the 1970s. For some reason, these are really cheap, so I picked up a few of them. I might keep one with the original graphics, but the others will become project cars. Once disassembled, they get the usual wet sanding and masking before getting a fresh coat of white. "1977 marked the introduction of the Mickey Mouse Express, and 6 more boxcars were added in 1978. From that catalog, I was able to scan a decent image of the graphics, and then it was just a matter of combining new elements to create the decals. I'm using white inkjet decal paper, which received a coat of flat clear spray paint off camera, and then after that dried, I was able to start cutting them apart. The white decal paper is a little limiting because it really looks best only when applied to something else that's also white, but in this case, it's perfect for these boxcars. The new graphics can pretty much be applied like any other decals at this point, with one exception. I've found that any decal setting solution that softens regular decals will cause these homemade inkjet decals to shrivel up and become distorted. So I learned that the hard way, and now I just put these on using whatever adhesive was already on the backside of the decal. The original Mickey Mouse Express had Mickey wearing an engineer's hat, but I also like my new version with Mickey at the drawing board, especially since these boxcars feature so much animation art. If you're wondering why each boxcar has different graphics from side to side, well, it's because I'm running out of room on my shelves. This way, I can essentially have 4 boxcars, but use the space from only 2. Plus, I'm beginning to realize that I might enjoy the process more than actually having the finished project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.